Hello, boys and girls again. Let me see your smile here. I know I can see you smile, but I know you can smile. Hi. Yeah. All right. Now let's see what is the second ocean in size in the world. It is Atlantic Ocean. That was the last video's question, and this is the answer. Atlantic Ocean, 33,421,006 miles. 33,421,006 miles. And this is a huge. It's almost half of Pacific Ocean. By the way, Pacific Ocean is where? It is in the east coast of, well, actually part of it, east coast of, I'm sorry, west coast of USA. Atlantic Ocean is in the east coast of USA. The Pacific Ocean and the west coast is California and Washington and Oregon, and the west part of Canada, right? That's part of the Pacific Ocean. And the Atlantic Ocean in the east coast, which means New York and part of the eastern part of Canada. Okay, anyway, so this is the answer for this video. Now the next video's question is, what is the third size ocean in the world? What is the third ocean in size in the world? Okay, now we're gonna start a new lesson, okay, which is equation. We're gonna solve equation. Now this is for starting in the middle school. All of what our videos, about 56 videos prior to this video, is most of them are for elementary school, fourth, fifth grade, third grade, and maybe some of it they can use in the middle school, okay, especially fractions and adding decimals. Now, equations, simple equations, they use it in the middle school, okay, and we're gonna start with simple equations, okay, and pay attention, please. Okay, if we have equation like this one here, x plus 3 equal 9. How much is x? I don't know. Go like this. I don't know. So x plus 3 equal 9. How much is x? Okay. What we do here, okay, it's a little trick. We add something in order to cancel and simplify and make the equation easier to find x. What is x? X is an unknown, right? Unknown number. We don't know that number. So what is x? That's what we need to find out. So x is actually a name for a number that we don't know. We need to find out that number. So x is just a name. You can write down Joey or John or Lucy or Susan, right? Instead of X. But X is just the name in algebra or the name in mathematics, okay, for a number that we don't know. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now X plus 3 equal 9. Okay, how about if we subtract 3 from both sides of the equal sign? If we do that, we keep the balance of the equation. You cannot ever add or subtract different numbers from both sides of the equation. You have to add or subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. So if we add over here a 5, we have to add over here a 5. If we add a 3 over here, we have to add a 3 over here. We have to. Otherwise, we mess up the equation. Okay? Now, so in order to cancel this 3, Okay, okay. And we make the x closer to be known, so we can know it better. Okay, what we do is subtract 3 from this side and subtract 3 from this side. I will show you, and then we go from there. Okay, so x plus 3 minus 3. So we subtract 3 from this side, and we subtract 3 from this side also, the same number. Okay, so x plus 3 minus 3. Remember, last video we had cancellation. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0, and that is the point. That's why exactly we subtract 3. Okay, so we subtract also 3 from 9. So x plus 3 minus 3. So this canceled. So this goes away. And then 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So x equals 6. That's it. That's it. This is a simple one-step equation. Simple one-step equation. X equals 6. So if we have equation like this, okay, we try to get a number, subtract a number, or add a number, or multiply a number, or divide a number. It depends on the equation we have. And we are going to give you a lot of examples of equations so you can solve them. Okay, because these equations you're gonna use in uh, middle school and high school, in quadratic equations, in exponent equations, and many uh, equations in the future, especially in upper middle school and high school and college, of course. So please pay attention. These equations are very important. Okay, so if x equals 6, so let's go over them one more time. X plus 3 equals 9. So let's subtract 3 from this side and subtract 3 from this side. So x plus 3 minus 3 is x, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So x is 6. X is 6. Okay, let's do another one, simple one. X plus 2 equals 6. How much is x? Go like this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so x plus 2 equals 6. How much is x? Well, we subtract minus 2 from here. We subtract minus 2 from here. That's it. So x plus 2 in the original equation, minus 2 and minus 2, okay, over here. Why we do that? Because we want to cancel and simplify. We want to cancel and simplify so we get to know what x is. Okay, so x plus 2 minus 2 equals 6 minus 2. So this is canceled, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So the x is what? 4. Okay, this is a very simple one-step equation, introduction to equations, and we are going to do few more examples, and we're gonna include also inequality, which is uh, this one, but these are next video. These ones here, this one here, and we go from there. These are inequalities. But please learn these because this is very important in the equations lessons. I will see you next video. Yes. Thank you so much.